Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it, damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, but I cannot. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, you know. So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from.
Eu vou limpar o espelho daqui do quarto, ó, mostrar como tá sujo. Não sei se vocês vão conseguir ver tanto como tá, né? Mas tá bastante sujo. Aí eu botei aqui, ó, álcool não, minha gente, vinagre de álcool, detergente e água. Aí, ó, vou borrifar aqui. Que eu vi essa misturinha no Instagram, eu acho. Ó, borrifar e vou passar o paninho, a fronela. Tá escorrendo. Vou passar aqui essa fronelinha. Minha gente, essa misturinha prometeu tudo e entregou tudo, viu? Ela disse que a pessoa passando a mão não mancha. E realmente, ó, não mancha. Adorei. Vai ser pra vida essa receitinha agora. O guarda-roupa já tá limpo, tudo organizadinho, né? Adorei essa misturinha. Façam aí. Minha gente, nem gravei mais pra vocês. Acabei de chegar em casa, fui levar as meninas na escola. Olha, pra aqui. As cadeiras estão assim, que eu vou varrer a casa, que eu não varri, né? E aí eu vou varrer a casa, passar pano, estender as roupas, que eu também não estendi, já parou faz tempo. E aí vou estender também. Vou almoçar, que ainda não almocei, né? Vou botar pra esquentar aqui o almoço. E vou almoçar. E é isso, minha gente. Então eu vou tentar tirar esse espelho aqui. Pegar o secador pra derreter a cola, né? Vamos ver.
Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah.
Tirei, ó. Foi rapidinho. Vocês viram, né? Aí agora eu vou jogar esses aqui, ó. E vou também limpar aqui direitinho. Ainda bem que não ficou manchado de cola, né? Menos mal. Eu vou limpar tudo certinho, ó. E é isto.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're the rising. You're the rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're the rising. You're the rising. Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night.
Minha sogra tá vindo pra cá, que ela mora bem perto aqui. E aí eu vou fazer, gente, torrada pra gente comer. Tá aqui no freezer o pão. Coloquei ontem à noite. Pra ficar durinho, sabe? Tava no freezer. Tá tudo durinho. Aí eu vou fazer uma torradinha pra gente tomar com café. Chega a tá suado, minha gente, os pães. Não vai dar pra ver, não. E aí eu vou cortar pra gente tomar com café. Comer com café. roupas das minhas netas, ó. Lavei.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls.
Minha gente, deixa eu mostrar pra vocês, olha pra aqui. Vai ter pessoas que vai julgar, sabe? Esse ventilador aqui tava guardado lá no quartinho. Aí eu decidi limpar ele pra usar. Eu vou usar ele. Tinha estendido aqui a flanela, mas já vou sujar de novo.
Or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way I can see the...
Minha gente, ontem nem gravei mais pra vocês, não foi? Lavei o quintal, lavei roupa, fiz tudo aquilo que vocês viram. E aí fui buscar as meninas correndo na escola, que eu tava muito atrasada. Aí eu nem gravei mais pra vocês, mas foi isso, eu tô aqui no dia seguinte. As roupas estão estendidas ali ainda no varal, que depois eu vou recolher. E é isso, gente, eu vou finalizar o vídeo por aqui. Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado, tá? Se vocês gostaram, não esquece de deixar o like, se inscreve no canal se ainda não for inscrito. E é isso, meus amores, um grande beijo e até os próximos vídeos.